This course shows you where you can get interval data from, how to manipulate it into a useful format, how to match it to how your site is actually used, and then how to identify and quantify energy saving opportunities, just like the ones you saw in the earlier examples. It builds on my experience in analysing interval data for hundreds of different types of buildings. But I actually wish that I had had this training available back when I had started, because it would have saved me countless hours of trying to figure out how to work with awkward data files. This training covers the 4 main types of formats in which interval data is usually provided. Its focus is not on teaching you about interval data, but rather on giving you the 3 key skills you need to actually do something with the interval data. It is set out in such a way that only once you've mastered the first skill can you move on to the second skill, and similarly, only once you've mastered the second skill can then you move on to the third skill. And then you are also tested on your knowledge of the third skill to ensure that you've really got it. This course isn't just a webinar and quick demonstration, rather it systematically shows you what to do and makes sure you know how to do it. And once you've completed the course and have the spreadsheet skills to work with interval data, you'll have none of the constraints of third-party spreadsheets or online portals when it comes to analysing your data. Interval data provides you with the fastest and easiest way to identify and quantify opportunities to cut your energy use. A small investment in learning how to use it will both help you save money for your organisation and, very importantly, also cut your carbon footprint and be good for the planet. Perhaps like me, you want to make a contribution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Interval data is so useful when it comes to identifying opportunities to save energy and cut emissions that should you not identify opportunities to save at least twice what this course costs you, I'll not only refund you, I'll also analyse the data file you send me and highlight where I think the savings opportunities might be. I really urge you to take this course if you're serious about reducing emissions like I am, and I look forward to teaching you. Thank you.